Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at your places. I welcome you all in today's English class. Children, you all are sitting with your English textbook, New Voices and pen. So today we will start a new lesson number 15, The Rum Tum Tugger, written by T.S. Eliot. Let's read about T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was born in 1888 and he was dead in 1965. He was a poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, and literary and social critic. His poetry is considered to be some of the most important of the 20th century. His famous works include The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, The Hollow Man, Ash Wednesday, Four Quartets, and The Waste Land. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948. Let's read central idea of the poem. T.S. Eliot draws attention to the similarities between feline is a stubborn cat, and human personality traits. Rum Tum Tugger is portrayed as the rebel cat who cannot help but be difficult. He is never satisfied with what you give him. This is a poem about a rebel cat. The name of poem is Rum, means unusual. Tum means stomach. We can also say tummy. And Tugger is a person who works hard. And here a cat works hard to create problem. So title is The Rum Tum Tugger. The Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat. If you offer him pheasant, he would rather have grouse. So pheasant is a kind of bird of long tail, and grouse is a small fat bird. Let's read a poem. The Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat. If you offer him pheasant, he would rather have grouse. If you put him in a house, he would much prefer a flat. Means this cat is very curious. If we will give him a pheasant, he will ask for a grouse. Means if we will give him a bird who is having a long tail, he will ask for a grouse. Grouse is a small fat bird. And if we will put him in a house is big, he will like to stay in a flat. And if you put him in a flat, then he would rather have a house. So whatever we will give him, he will not ask for that. He will ask something else. If you set him on a mouse, then he only wants a rat. Mouse are small and rats are big. So if we will give him a mouse, he will ask for a rat. And if you set him on a rat, then he would rather chase a mouse. If we will give him a rat, he will run behind a mouse. Yes, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat, and there is not any call for me to shout it, for he will do as he do, and there is no doing anything about it. So I cannot shout on the cat because he will do only whatever he want to do. He will not obey. The Rum Tum Tugger is a terrible bore. Yes, he is a terrible bore. When you let him in, then he wants to be out. If we will keep him inside, so he wants to go out. He is always on the wrong side of every door. And as soon as he is at home, then he would like to get about. He likes to lie in the bureau drawer, but he makes such a fuss if he can't get out. Bureau is a chest of drawers. So he likes to lie in the drawers but if he is not able to come out of the drawer, so he will make a fuss. Yes, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat, and there is not any use for you to doubt it, for he will do as he do, and there is no doing anything about it. So we can't do anything because he will not obey. He will do only whatever he want to do. The Rum Tum Tugger is a curious beast. His displeasing ways are a matter of habit. So this cat is a curious beast. He will not cooperate in any situation. This is his habit. If you offer him fish, then he always wants a feast. Feast is a kind of good food. So if we will give him fish, he will ask for feast. When there is not any fish, then he won't eat rabbit. If there is not any fish, he will not eat rabbit. If you offer him cream, then he sniffs and sneers. If we will give him cream, so he will sniff and he will make faces, for he only likes what he finds for himself. He will only eat whatever he will find for himself. So you will catch him in it right up to the ears if you put it away on the larder shelf. A small room, larder shelf means a small room or large cupboard for storing food in a house. So he can search food, whichever we have kept inside the cupboard, he will search and he will eat only that food. The Rum Tum Tugger is artful and knowing. He knows wherever the food is kept, he can search. The Rum Tum Tugger does not care for a cuddle. If we will cuddle the cat, he doesn't care, but he will leap on your lap in the middle of your swing. But if you are swinging anything, he will come and he will sit in your lap, for there's nothing he enjoys like a horrible muddle. If we are busy, he doesn't like. He wants our attention, but if we will cuddle the cat, he doesn't like. Yes, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat. Yes, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat, and there is not any need for me to spout it, for he will do as he do, and there is no doing anything about it. So this is very funny poem. Here poet wants to compare a cat with our young generation. Whatever we want to give them, they don't want. Our young generation is like a cat. If we will care about the youngsters, they don't like. But if we are busy, then they want our attention. I hope you all have enjoyed this poem. That's all for today. Have a nice day.